Hello again, it's Mr. K. Another magical cure, hopefully, that might brighten your ideas and brighten your mind to the fact there are cures available. The new virus, which is spreading worldwide, which is known as the coronavirus, otherwise known as COVID 19. Okay, basically, it's a virus. A virus has a chemical signature, it has a chemical pattern which exists as a virus. Remember, it has a chemical signature. As it comes into our body, it basically, like bacteria, which has a chemical signature, merges with our own biological processes, our chemical intake, basically spreading around our body, degrading our ability to exist in a normal parameter, a normal biological process, normal biological environment, breaks down our health in it basically. So think about it, okay? We have ATP production, adenine triphosphate. I think it's 48 molecules. I think so. I'm not sure, 46, 48 ATP molecules that are generated over a certain period. I'm not sure, but I think it was 24 or 48 as well. Basically, we have adenine triphosphate molecules being produced. We have our Krebs cycle, which is the energy reproduction cycle. The starting point acetyl coenzyme A, and our two main energy boosts, nicotinamide dinucleotide phosphate and flavardine dinucleotide phosphate. But remember, the energy conversion around the Krebs cycle, it has more multi-layered chemical processes which allow chemical conversion throughout the body to take place. But our two main boosts are NADPH and FADPH. Those are the two main energy boost reproduction cycles in our Krebs cycle. We also have over 1,480 biological processes taking place every millisecond over a certain period, which is a very short period. Basically, if we were to enhance our own biological processes, ATP, the 1,480 other biological processes, and our Krebs cycle, which is acetyl coenzyme A, the starting point, and the other multi-layered energy reproduction cycles which are taking place within the Krebs cycle. If we got an actarium bacterium, enhanced it to blend in with our own bacteria, our own lymphatic system, our own energy reproduction cycle, our own ATP. Basically, if we were to artificially create a bacterium which would boost our own biological processes, our own Krebs cycle, our own ATP, by boosting our own energy reproduction cycles, our own biological processes, we would allow our own body to filter the virus, which has a chemical signature. We'll be able to process it at a faster rate out of our body. Basically, by enhancing our own biological processes, our own Krebs cycle, our own ATP productions, if we were able to enhance our own internal organisms, which are producing those phagocytes, those biological conversions which are taking place, if we were able to enhance them, artificially enhance them with Actium bacterium, which which was specifically designed to boost our own biological processes, our own energy reproduction cycles, we will be able to, if we were to come across the virus, coronavirus or COVID-19, what it's called, and it came into our own homeostatic environment, our own biological environment, we would be able, with the artificially induced enhancement of our own biological processes, to process that chemical signature, the virus, out of our system at a faster rate, basically making us more immune to the possibility of falling ill through this virus because we've boosted our own biological environment. we're more healthier, we're more stronger, we're more able to cope with the chemical signatures in our environment, like the air we breathe, like the food we eat, like the drink we drink. They all have chemical signatures, along with the virus, which has its own chemical signature. So, by boosting our biological processes, our own Krebs cycle, our own energy reproduction cycles, our own ATP production, we would be able to process the virus out of our system a lot quicker. We'll be less likely to fall ill due to a disease because we've enhanced our own homeostatic environment, our own biological environment. Mr. K out.